How to add Zillions gift card to Apple Wallet. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to add your Zillions gift card into your Apple Wallet account. The first is of course open up your Apple Wallet, and this is going to be your dashboard. At the top right option, you should be able to see two options, which what you want to have to tap is the plus icon. Now once you tap on plus icon, you will automatically be redirected into add to wallet. Scroll down and choose on debit or credit card. Now, on the next page, you will be given an option to add cards to Apple Pay, and then just simply tap on continue so that you can scan or enter the wallet credentials of your gift card. Next on that is holding near the card into the back of your phone to scan it completely, or you can choose on enter card details manually. On the next page, you just simply input the card details. If you choose this option, input the name and the card number. And that's it. That's how you add Zillion's gift card to Apple Wallet.